Hi, I'm Janelle Marie. I'm here with Michael Lau, president of USA Bath, and we're talking about remodeling. So, Michael, people are watching. Why should they remodel?
Well, every remodeling project starts with a need.
Okay.
And in bathroom remodeling, there's pretty much three primary needs.
Okay.
There's damage and maintenance.
All right.
There is access and safety.
True.
And there's appearance,
okay,
which we all like. But let's take them in order.
Okay.
So in damage and maintenance, it's caused by water. Right, water is the most powerful force on the planet. It's the lifeblood of everything. The Grand Canyon was created by water over the centuries or over the millennium. And believe it or not, your shower area is kind of like a tiny version of
the Grand Canyon?
Right, we take a very small area with a wall and we subject it to a barrage of water over 10, 20, 30 years. And that has an impact.
Okay.
And the materials that have traditionally been used for bath remodeling allow water to seep through. So tile, it's a great material, it's beautiful, but it's porous. Grout that goes between the tile is also porous. So the accumulation of this every single day over time, water is going to get behind it, which is why you need waterproof backing board and rubber materials at the bottom, which are basically designed to handle the water that's inevitably going to get behind the walls of your shower or bathtub area. So after 20, 30 years, there's going to be damage, right? And you're going to see that. You're either going to see dark spots on the wall or on the ceiling. You're going to see black spots along the rim of the tub that aren't going to go away because you've got mold issues. When you combine all that water with heat and chemicals and sometimes darkness behind the wall, that can happen. You can also see soft spots on the floor, which is when you really have a problem, and that's when the water has started to damage the wood underneath your bathtub. So that's the primary reason that people look at remodeling, is there is a problem and we need to fix it. No surprise.
Gotcha.
The second issue is access and safety. And by that, it's typically mobility issues. So perhaps someone is, a little less stable on their feet, and they're worried about having a fall in the bathtub. Falls are the most common injuries among senior citizens. Alternatively, it could be someone with a disability that you need to have access for a caregiver to get into that space with them. If you have a tub, that's kind of a recipe for a problem, right? So one of our most popular projects is actually converting a tub to a shower. Lets people not have to step over. We can augment that with safety bars and other things. Maybe get rid of the shower door and instead have a shower curtain so that the caregiver can have easy access. Interestingly, on the mobility side of people that have a disability or a medical issue, if you're not in that demographic, it's really not something you think about.
Exactly.
I never did. But if you are, it is a top of mind issue every day.
Absolutely.
We lost my dad to cancer a few years ago, and it was a terrible process. Anyone that's been through it knows it's horrific. But the very worst part of it was actually bathing him. He wound up constricted to the bottom floor of their house. We converted an office to a bedroom. There was a bathroom with a tub, and for the last 4 months of his life, he couldn't use it. And it made a very bad experience, just frustrating for him each and every day. And it was really an eye-opener for me for how important access issues can be if you're faced with them. And hopefully you're not, but a lot of people are. The third one is appearance. And obviously that's where everyone wants to start. I want a beautiful new bathroom. We all do. It's the fun part. It's great to design new bathrooms. People light up when we start doing it. But the reality is, unless you're Oprah or Steph Curry, you're probably not going to spend $10,000 or $20,000 redoing a perfectly functional bathroom.
That's true.
You might.
That's true.
But most people want to do it, but they're going to wait until there's a trigger point on either damage or access. And then once they realize there's a problem I need to solve, they say, let's make it beautiful. And that's when we can bring them all the samples, all the colors, all the styles, and really make it sing for them. So those are the three reasons people remodel.
Give me recap all three.
Damage and maintenance. Access and safety. Appearance.
The fun part. All right, sounds good. Click on any of the other videos to learn more, or you can give them a call or go to the website usabath.com. Thank you so much, Michael.
Thank you.